What's up, vlog? It's another beautiful day, and it's nighttime, so we're gonna do a nighttime vlog. We're gonna go to a car meet tonight. That's the scheduled plan, and whatever happens after that, I'm gonna keep y'all tuned into a night of my life.
Good, how are you?
I'm alright.
Alright, vlog. So I got a little RT with me.
What's happening, gang?
Y'all go. I'm gonna put his YouTube in the future in the title and shit, so y'all can go fuck with him. But we got a little RT. Got a little RT out here.
Gonna be a nice walk today.
Yeah, that boy got the cut too. Had a good day.
Yeah, man. It was cool today, you know. I tried to go get a what they call it, like a fluid change and shit, but they had an appointment today, so I'm gonna go to the bar.
Where at Furman up there?
No, the where I got this bitch from.
Oh,
The dealership, the coach joint. Bitch already dirty.
this bitch already dirty. But all right, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we back in the car. Yeah, vlog. This is some epic shit. The hardest cat in the city. The snack's trying to mess with me. What the hell kind of shit is that? I'd be wrong to do launch control on the one now.
You want it?
No, never mind. And Jake entered the chat.
I think you'll be good.
I think I'll be great.
We gotta keep it cute right now, y'all. Okay, y'all.
What was that? What the fuck was that? But yeah, vlog, man, we on the way to the car meet tonight, man. They said the car is gonna be out. The hottest thing gotta come out, you feel me? But I will catch y'all when we get a little bit closer. What's up, vlog? We are at the car meet.
Hey, y'all.
And they're playing fucking...
Young boy, I try the cameras. Hey, I'm going outside today.
But anyways, y'all see how the view is out this bitch. It's looking lovely out here. It's looking straight. It's looking cool. I gotta make some phone calls, see what other car friends are gonna pop out. And yeah, I'm gonna fuck with y'all later. We're gonna get a tour about the cars around this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna fuck with y'all. See what I'm working with, boy.
There we go.
About to bust down on the chicken wings.
So y'all be cussing me out not showing my food, so I'm showing my food this vlog. We got a little RT over there. We got Babe. We finna
fuck with y'all
smash.
when I get back. I'm gonna fuck with y'all when I'm done eating.
Bro, a bunch of white kids watch you put that shit in my waist when I pulled up. I don't give a fuck.
You scared they
They face too.
You scared they huh?
Who's in the yellow thing?
One of them over there. Alright, y'all.
Hey man, it's me right here. I used to have a Jeep like this. What you talking about? Don't even hate, bro.
He really did,
The Jeep
fam.
used to be wrong. I bet that shit was wrong.
I'll be back with y'all when we're done. Alright, y'all, let the real shit pull off. Alright. You behind me?
Yeah, I'm behind you.
Alright. Alright, y'all, we finna snatch up out this bitch here.
Alright. Ooh, I'm scared of him. Yeah.
He said this. Can't see what they
Said, does he have insurance? I pay $9.50 a month for Geico.
Oh my god. Okay, y'all heard it yourself. I will get back to y'all, or actually, is my boyfriend gonna show out right here? Hold on. Okay guys, I'll get back to y'all.